Okay.
Today's challenge for the connectors is the longest jump.
You try. I jump further. I won, guys! I'll start the design. I want to see it. Speedometer. Things will be jumping today. We'll put the carpet here. We can make the cars take off. Everyone choose their car. Nick, pick 2 boosters. Matt, Feast, Tom, Aloof, out to the tracks. Connectors! It's time to connect! Who wants to pick first? I'll go. Pick one. Yes, first! Third. That's okay. Second, fourth. Go for it, Tom. Wow! Great jump, Tom! My turn. Whoa! Nina, go! Oh! Nick, Danny, and Tom! Yeah! Come on, come on! Oh! Awesome! We're the best! Yeah!
Don't miss the next episode where the connectors will create another awesome track. Join the team at HotWheels.com. Sets, track, cars, and apparel each sold separately. Batteries not included. Adults of 7.